Alrighty, so I'm bringing out the wasabi shrimp crackers. I believe they're, yeah, shrimp flavored crackers, but these are also wasabi flavored. And wasabi is known for having a sharp and spicy flavor, I guess. So I'm just gonna move you out the side and go for genius. Second. Why is that part open? I'm just probably weak. Okay. Yeah, they're kind of small. Let me see. I don't get that much of a smell to it. Kind of shrimpy, maybe? Good. Check that one out. Nice, just simple, solid cracker. Okay, am I excited about this? No. Because wasabi and me don't get along. But I'm going to try this out anyways, just to see. I bought them. I'm going to try them. Let me get it over with. Okay. You want to try one out? Hopefully it's not too terrible. Mm, mm. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh gosh. That's loud. Okay, that's like a strong, very strong salt flavor. Very strong shrimp flavor. Yeah, they smell like a little fishy. But, geez, I have no words. Jesus Christ. It, like, the second you pop it in your mouth, it's just, and like chew it up, it's just like wasabi and shrimp. Like, having that, uh, second bite. Mm. I take it back. It is spicy. It's how wasabi spicy. And I bought two bags of these things. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? This could be like a one. It takes me a year to finish if I were to eat this. Like it's not even the shrimp flavor that's bad. It's a wasabi. I need that wasabi spice, well spice, but not the wasabi spice. It's like the shrimp flavor is fine, but the freaking wasabi is like that spice that kind of goes like up your sinuses and like freaking oh. Like before you put it in your mouth, wasabi flavor. I can't do it. I'm still eating it. Oh, that one had a lot of flavor. Oh, oh my god. Again, it's like not even the shrimp flavor. Like that's fun. I can do that. It's just the wasabi. Like I don't need to eat it when I buy those freaking rolls from Winko. The flaming hot rolls. I don't even mess with wasabi. Oh my gosh. I think my sinuses cleared up. It's like it just all up in there. But I mean, if if this is your thing, you might like it. I may like pass these chips off to my cousin or somebody in the family. Because I don't want to dump them. I don't want to throw them in the trash. But I don't know if I'm consuming much on these. I might just torture myself. But yeah, like I will Where do I find these? Maybe not like the exact with, you know, genuine massage boys, but I find these on H Mart or somewhere. I will link it. You want to try it for yourself. But holy crap, this Korean biscuit with wasabi shrimp flavor apparently is crazy. But oh my gosh, like I can do the shrimp. Maybe I should just like buy those next time. I told you I have this wasabi. I had to. You know? Holy crap. Oh, okay. But yeah, I always get kids on top of those, and yeah, I should have to you. You know, two more, two more for the road. Two more chips for the road. Even two and fifty doesn't help. Oh, mm, okay. Yeah, wasabi. Oh, let the kids on top of themselves. Oh my god. Okay, okay. See you next video. Oh my god. Oh my nostrils, my poor nostrils. Oh my god.